Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I am Dr. Bhumika Makhuri. Let's look at today's top medical news. Can your diet help prevent lung cancer? Scientists explore the link. For cancers of organs like the liver, the long-term impact of our diet has been well studied, so much so that we have guidance about red meat, wine and other delicacies. A new study from researchers at University of Florida Health looks at another kind of organ whose cancer risk may be affected by poor diet, the lungs. Cancer has not traditionally been thought of as a dietary-related disease, said Ramon Sun, PhD, an associate professor and director of the UF Center for Advanced Spatial Biomolecule Research. Diseases like pancreatic cancer or liver cancer, yes. However, when it comes to lung cancer, the idea that diet could play a role is rarely discussed. The new study borrows from how flora unfolds, focusing on glycogen accumulation. This storage molecule, made up of glucose or a simple sugar, has been found to accumulate in high levels across a variety of cancers and other diseases. Artificial intelligence as a tool to identify cognitive decline, fine study. Mild cognitive impairment, MCI, may be an early indicator of Alzheimer's disease or dementia, so identifying those with cognitive issues early could lead to interventions and better outcomes. But diagnosing MCI can be a long and difficult process, especially in rural areas where access to licensed neuropsychologists is limited. To increase accessibility to cognitive assessments, a team of researchers at the University of Missouri created a portable system to efficiently measure multiple aspects of motor function. The device is simple and affordable, combining a depth camera, a force plate and an interface board. For the study, the team examined older adults, some of whom had MCI, and asked them to complete 3 activities: standing still, walking and standing up from a bench. Participants had to complete these activities while counting backwards in intervals of 7 at the same time. Based off their performance, which was captured by the new audible system, the data was fed into a machine learning model, a type of artificial intelligence that accurately identified 83% of those in the study with MCI. Oncology study affirms radiotherapy's role after radical hysterectomy in early cervical cancer. Results from the Oncology GOG 0 to 6 phase 3 clinical trials testing the addition of cisplatin-based chemotherapy to adjuvant radiotherapy following radical hysterectomy and lymphadenectomy for patients with early-stage, intermediate-risk cervical carcinoma indicated that the addition of chemotherapy did not improve outcomes for patients and led to increased toxicity for patients. The outcomes of this trial support the use of the current standard of care using adjuvant radiotherapy alone following surgery. The trial accrued 316 eligible patients with early-stage disease and intermediate-risk factors, including the combination of histopathologic factors such as capillary lymphatic space involvement, stromal invasion, and tumor size. Accrued patients had radical hysterectomy prior to enrollment onto the study. Trial participants were randomly assigned to receive either adjuvant chemoradiotherapy, CRT, or radiotherapy alone, RT. The results showed that 92% of patients had 28 fractions of radiation with median dosage of 50.4 grays and duration of 39 days, and 91% of the patients in CRT arm received at least 4 cycles of weekly cisplatin. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest update.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.